JIRA is the most popular Agile project management tool used by software professionals to manage Agile projects efficiently. It is also used for bug tracking and issue tracking during software development. Also helps in planning, tracking the team's work, managing releases, and reporting the team performance. 1,000 plus add-ons of JIRA can help one to get the most out of JIRA software. It can also be integrated with the existing tools, and the workflow can be upgraded with other developer tools. The capabilities of JIRA can be leveraged in the space of knowledge management, real-time collaboration, continuous integration, etc. Be it Scrum or Kanban or hybrid Agile methodologies, and as an efficient tool for planning. Helps in accurate estimations using various estimation techniques like story points, t-shirt sizes, hours, etc. Value-driven prioritization can be done with a simple drag-and-drop method. Real-time collaboration helps in knowing your team's work and keeps everyone on the same page. The state-of-the-art reporting capabilities are helping the team to gain an insight into their performance. One can change the workflow and various options in JIRA according to the team size, which emphasizes the scalability capabilities. Who this course is for: 1. Software testers, test leads, test managers, developers, development managers, business analysts. What will I learn? In this course, you will learn about JIRA from very basic to advanced concepts of JIRA like Scrum and Kanban. I have covered all the aspects of SDLC in JIRA and explained how you can do test management, project management, defect management, agile software development, reporting, and much more with JIRA. And the requirements for this course are: while you don't have to have JIRA to watch this course, if you want to follow along, you'll need at least a JIRA software cloud subscription from Atlassian.